In this video, I'm going to recreate some logo designs for the Steam Deck completely from scratch using Inkscape, the free open source vector graphics editor that you can download and use right now. And check me out on X or Bluesky for these images at WisemanMods, link in the description. I'm going to start off by creating ones that are around 500 by 500 in size. I'm not going to copy and paste anything. I'm making everything from scratch. So everything from the colors, the shapes, and the position of each object will have to be manually adjusted to get it right. I'm honestly a big fan of the Steam Deck logo because I really like minimal design. I'm going to create a few different colorways because some people might like the default colorway with the white and purple gradient, and some people might like these other ones. Let me know in the comments what colorway is your favorite, and while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe because I post videos like this one all the time. And now that we are done the small images, and we can work on some landscape ones. These could be used for a desktop wallpaper. I like how these are turning out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These are all designs that I've created today. You can find them by following me at wisemanmods on X or Bluesky. And be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what I should make next. And subscribe so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and see ya.